Coronavirus are a large family of viruses that may cause respiratory illness in human, ranging from a common cold to severe conditions such as severe acute respiratory syndrome and Middle Eastern respiratory syndrome. The novel coronavirus is a new, previously unidentified strain of coronavirus. The novel coronavirus involved in current outbreak and has named SARS-CoV-2 by the World Health Organization (WHO). The disease it causes has named coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. Thank you.
COVID-19 can spread from person to person, usually through close contact with uninfected person or through are dispersed into the air when uninfected person coughs or seen three. It may also be possible to get the virus by touching a surface or object contaminated with the virus and then touching our mouth, nose or eyes, but it is not thought to be the main way the virus spreads. Thank you.
Similar to other respiratory illness, the symptoms of COVID-19 may include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. People infected with COVID-19 may experience any range of these symptoms along with aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, and diarrhea. Symptoms can start to show up anywhere from 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. It may be possible for an infected person who is not yet showing any symptoms to spread the virus. Older persons and those with pre-existing medical illness like heart disease and diabetes, however, seem to be more likely to experience severe respiratory symptoms and complications. Thank you.
Coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that may cause respiratory illness in humans, ranging from common cold to more severe conditions such as severe acute respiratory syndrome and Middle Eastern respiratory syndrome. Novel coronavirus is a new, previously unidentified strain of coronavirus. The novel coronavirus involved in the current outbreak has been named SARS-CoV-2 by the World Health Organization. The disease it has been named coronavirus disease 2019. How does the virus spread? COVID-19 can spread from person to person, usually through the close contact with an infected person or through respiratory droplets that are dispersed into air. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, it may also be possible to get the virus by touching a surface or object contaminated with the virus and then touching your mouth, nose or eyes. But it is not thought to be the main way the virus spreads. Where has COVID-19 has spread to? As March 6, 2020, there are over 95,000 confirmed cases of infection by the virus and 3,381 of that number have resulted in death. While most of cases of COVID-19 infection are in China, the virus has spread to 88 other countries. What are the symptoms? Similar to other respiratory illness, the symptoms of COVID-19 may include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. People infected with the COVID-19 may experience any range of the symptoms along with aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, and diarrhea. Symptoms can start to show up anywhere from 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. It may be possible for an infected person who is not yet showing any symptoms to spread the virus. Old persons and those with pre-existing medical illness like heart disease and diabetes, however, seem to be more likely to experience severe respiratory symptoms and complications. How to protect yourself from coronavirus? The best preventative action is to avoid being exposed to the virus. You can do this by taking a few cautionary steps, the same as you would if you were trying to avoid get any respiratory illness. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. If soap and water are not readily accessible, use alcohol-based sanitizers. Avoid contact with sick people. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with your hands. If they are unwashed, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your bent elbow. When you sneeze or cough, make sure you dispose of the tissue immediately. If you are feeling unwell, stay home. If you have no respiratory symptoms such as cough, a medical mask is not necessary. Only use mask if you have symptoms such as coughing or sneezing or suspect a COVID-19 infection. A mask is recommended for those carrying for anyone with COVID-19. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. The name of my song is the Corona Song. Recently, we've been hit by virus, and its name is Corona. What does it do? Makes it hard to breathe. Right now, there is no vaccine. Ooh, and now we gotta stay alert, stop it from getting worse. Ooh, it's our responsibility to stop it from exploding. So just please wash your hands. Don't touch your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Social distance, avoid the crowds. Fight against the corona. Practice good hygiene and keep your personal space clean. Fight against the corona. Fight against the corona. It's like a flu, but it's so much more cruel. And it is super contagious. Yeah, it is tough, but we all play a part. We will prevent it together. Ooh, and now we gotta stay alert, stop it from getting worse. Ooh, it's our responsibility to stop it from exploding. So just please wash your hands. Don't touch your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Social distance, avoid the crowds. Fight against the corona. Practice good hygiene and keep your personal space clean. Fight against the corona. The corona is colorblind. Together we can win the fight. Fight against the corona. Stay ready today and tomorrow will be okay. Fight against the corona. Fight against the corona. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jaditya Verma from class 6A, and I am going to spread awareness on COVID-19. Guidelines regarding offices and workplace. Under the new guidelines, MHA has laid down national directives for COVID-19 management at workplace. The state authorities are required to comply with such directions. The national directives include practice of work from home to extent the possible, mandatory wearing of masks at workplaces, social distancing through staggered lunch breaks and adequate gaps between shifts, provision of thermal screening, hand wash and sanitizers at all entry and exit points, common areas, etc. Frequent sanitization of workplace and staggered working hours for business, offices, shops, industries, etc. Apart from that, MHWA has issued certain additional preventive guidelines on May 18, 2020, explaining how to stop the spread of virus at workplaces, offices. All state authorities are required to comply with these guidelines. Use of Arogya Setu, though not mandatory, but has been recommended by Indian government. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Kanak Tyagi and I am going to give a speech on coronavirus. Working professionals often find it hard to spend enough time with their families. The current lockdowns due to coronavirus coupled with work from home has currently bridged the gap. Although stressful at times, it does provide a great opportunity for quality time together with the family. It must be stressful for people who are working from home and staying with their families because they have to give up tiny bits of freedom. But I feel at peace knowing that my parents don't have to go for work out during this COVID-19 pandemic and that they are safe. The world is definitely going to change after this pandemic. The impact of coronavirus outbreak started staining on the economy and the individual effort and the individual households too. Some have been asked to take a pay cut for this month while others are anxiously anticipating potential layoffs. This adds another financial stress to an already difficult time. Thank you.
The first case of COVID-19 in India was reported on January 30, 2020 and as of June 7, 2020. Confirmed class stand at 2.4 lakh with more than 1,500 deaths in the past 1 week in the country. Social stress caused by lockdown has many faces and reasons resulting from traveling restrictions and descriptions of cultural celebrations, limited health care facilities and interruptions in regular immunizations in hospitals, leading to anxiety and fear among the population, social distancing with friends and family, closure of places of entertainment and leisure, unplanned closure of schools and colleges, affecting both students and parents regarding the academic year and the loss of a quality education.
Hello everyone, my name is Nathan. I study in class 6A from Nehru House. Today I am going to represent some lines on situations after COVID-19 virus. As we know, due to coronavirus pandemic, the state government across the country temporarily started shutting down schools and colleges. All major entrance examinations are postponed, including engineering, medical laws, agriculture, fashion and designing courses, etc. This situation can be a ringing alarm bell in private sector. Universities, students' counseling operations are also affected. Technology may play an important role in the lockdown period, like study from home and work from home. In India, some private schools could adopt online teaching methods. Low-income private and government school method may not be able to adopt online teaching methods. And as a result, there will be completely shut down due to no access to e-learning solutions. In addition to the opportunities from learning, students will also miss their meals and may result in economics and social stress. Higher education sectors are also disturbed, which again pave an impact on the country's economic future. Various students from India took admission in abroad like the USA, UK, Australia, China, etc. All these countries are badly affected due to COVID-19. Maybe there is possibility that students will not take admissions there in future. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Father, Mrs. Monarve, and my dear fellow Zavarians. My dear friends, I know we all are stressed. Try to have fun, spending extra time with the people you live with. When you're indoors, you can play games, read, do puzzles, make art, write a story, do a craft, you can dance, do yoga, build, learn, and play or listen to music. Go outside to ride bikes, run, walk, or hike. Take some chalk and write happy message on trails and sidewalks for other people to see. Be kind and helpful. All the changes due to coronavirus can make kids and adults feel stressed. Kids can help by doing little things that make a big difference. Here are a few ideas. Help take care of a little brother or sister. Keep them happy. Read to them and play with them. Put your stuff away. Make your bed. Do your best with schoolwork. Ask nicely for help. Use kind words. Take your bath or shower without a fuss. Share offer to help with meals or cleanup. Show love to your family. Give hugs. Help take care of your pet. Thank you.
जो साथ दे दे सारा